Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of CAD Tutorials. This is Architect Ems, your CAD instructor. So before we proceed with our lessons, don't forget to click the subscribe button and like this video. For today's video, we will talk about 3D modeling in the Windows version of the AutoCAD. So to start your drawing template, just click the Start Drawing button. As you may see, we are in the Drafting and Annotation or the AutoCAD Classic space. Now, let's transform this space into a 3D modeling by clicking here. This is the 3D modeling space of the Autocad software. We just need to change the view. Let's select in here and then put it in SE isometric, or we can control it using the UCS. Now let's put it into the top view and start to draw a measured figure in AutoCAD. I'll be drawing a 4x4 square, a 2x2, and put it together. Another 3x3 square, and a 1x1 square. Make sure to use rectangles or polyline to create a closed polygon. Let's transform this into a 3D model. Let's click here in the isometric view and then extrude each square into a desired height. Just click extrude. You can use orbit for your drawings. And again, extrude the square. Let's assign this as yellow, green, and then this is starting to look like Christmas. That's how you do your box, or how to do the extrude tool in 3D modeling space. Let's orbit the drawing. Now let's use the other solids in the 3D modeling. You can put cylinder, cone, sphere, pyramid, wedge, and the torus. Let's put a cylinder. Transform it and put the height. Assign colors to the property. Now let's put a cone at the top of the box. Let's try to move the created 3D model of a cone at the top of the box. You can click the front view, there, finally. Let's change the color of the cone. Let's add a spear into the figures. Change the color of the spear through the properties. Top view, and then we will add a pyramid at the top of the square. Assign the height. And then move upwards. Change the color through the properties. In the 3D modeling tab, line weights does not apply. Now let's put a wedge in the collection. Drag it and then assign the height of the wedge. Let's add a torus. Change colors through the properties. Just delete this one and copy the colored torus. Let's add a polysolid to the drawing. So there's your polysolid. Let's set the US icon into the origin. Now let's move on to the other features of the 3D modeling tab, which is the sweep, the loft, the revolve, the sweep blend, and the press boom. First, let's do the sweep. So we need to draw a polygon. and then create a spline for the path of the polygon to be extruded or to be swept. Let's rotate the spline and the polygon using 3D rotate. Find the right axis for the rotation. Put the angle of rotation. Again, 3D rotate. Find the angle of rotation. Enter. And then use the sweep command. Change the color. Let's create another sweep by drawing a polyline. Click at the isometric view and then 3D rotate. To rotate the object, find the axis, create a circle, and then use the sweep tool. Now let's try to use the 3D polyline by creating a path from X, Y to the Z axis. Let's create a circle and then 3D rotate and then sweep. That's how you use the sweep tool. And now let's move to the press pull command. This command is same as the extrude tool. We just create square of a dimension and then enter the press pull command, isometric, and then establish the height. Now let's move on to the loft tool. Let's draw circles. Create a smaller circle and then move upwards. Draw another circle, a smaller one, and then move upwards. Now use the loft tool. Click, click, click. Enter, cross sections only. Let's change the color of the 3D model. Now that's the loft tool. Let's proceed to the revolve tool. First, do the outline using polylines to create a closed polygon. Just draw a half section of the figure. Trim it. Add thickness using the offset tool. When you have a closed polygon, put it in isometric and use the 3D rotate, and then find the axis and use the revolve tool. Click and specify the base point for the rotation, and then enter the angle of rotation. There you have it, that's the revolve tool. Change the color of the figure. So that's the 3D modeling of basic shapes and forms in AutoCAD. Let's draw the base. Let's draw a rectangle. Extrude this rectangle. Now, let's go back to top view. Move this one to the other side, then extrude this one. Fillet ranges. isometric view, and then let's do the 3D rotate. Click this one, find the axis of rotation, set the angle, then let's extrude this one. Really rotate, find the axis of rotation, then extrude. Now you move this one to the model. Copy. Copy. Control your UCS. And then there's a tool in here that's called Union, Solid Union. So if you click this one and this one, there, it's already a one block. Now let's create another figure. Square of 4x4, and then isometric, let's extrude it to 4. Wait, let's draw another one in here. A 1x5. Copy, rotate, then let's extrude this one, 4, two, 3. Now let's use the other tool, which is the subtract tool. Click. There. Let's add another polygon in the figure. Isometric, then extrude. Now let's move this one.